Hi, and welcome to another video. I want to thank you for tuning in, and I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about an unusual indicator for the cryptocurrency market, and it's put together by a website called Moonmath. So first of all, I want to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I'm not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. Now, this Moonmath indicator, I'm going to put a link in the description below so that you can go and look this up on your own, but it's very, very interesting. As you can see, we're looking at the history of Bitcoin simply because it has the longest history, but Moonmath has other cryptocurrencies that you can take a look at. And here's kind of how it works. As the cryptocurrency gets closer to this purple bar, or even the red and orange bars, that would be when you would want to consider selling it. And as it's in the blue area, or even as it crosses below the green area, it's in an area where you would want to consider buying cryptocurrency. And the thing that I find so interesting is that it's been extremely accurate in determining when are the peaks and when are the valleys of cryptocurrency pricing. You know, this is the most recent high of cryptocurrency when it crossed the $20,000 mark. And then since it hit the $20,000 mark, it dropped back down. It for a while came up to about 14,000 and then since has dropped down to 10,000, 9,500. Now you also want to know, I want to point this out about this particular chart. This is not a normal, numerical increase, but rather a logarithmic increase. And so, you know, from here to here is 10, from here to here is 100, from here to here is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and this line up here is where it hits 200,000. And so it's actually a logarithmic chart where it's not increasing at normal increments, but the lower ones are fine-tuned so that you can see the lower dollar amounts with greater detail. And the higher dollar amounts are compressed so that when it reaches those higher dollar amounts, it doesn't show as dramatically on the chart. It's just another way of viewing data that tries to give you more information and useful information. But I did find this very interesting in terms of it seems to be extremely close, extremely accurate in terms of if you were looking for signals as to when to purchase a cryptocurrency and signals as far as when to sell a cryptocurrency. So I want to thank you for watching this short video. I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a great day.